Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and this video is all about latest WhatsApp features and tricks that you can do right now on your WhatsApp. WhatsApp has become one of those apps that one cannot live without. So let's take a deep dive into its latest features and how to use those effectively. If you already know some of the latest features, feel free to skip through the video using chapters. The latest feature that WhatsApp has added to its desktop app is the ability to make and attend video and audio calls right from your PC or laptop. This is an amazing feature that I was waiting for. So this is currently only available on WhatsApp desktop app and not on the WhatsApp web version. To make a video or audio call, it's pretty simple. You can see the two icons right beside the contact's name. You can click on those. The calls you make from the desktop will use your desktop camera and mic. So a really welcoming feature and I love it. So the next one is WhatsApp disappearing messages. You can enable disappearing messages by going into someone's profile or chat or the group settings. You cannot turn it on for all your conversations all at once. You have to do it one by one. So this is how it works. Once you enable it, new messages sent to the individual or group will disappear after 7 days automatically from both of the parties' phones. So this feature is really nice if you don't want to keep your previous chat history with someone. The third new feature is the always mute option. So I am one of those people who likes to keep every WhatsApp group on mute. So previously what I had to do was I only had the option to mute the group for a maximum of 2 years. But now with the recent update, WhatsApp now allows users to mute a conversation forever. That's a really nice feature. There was a feature already to set custom wallpapers on WhatsApp, but that was for all of the WhatsApp chats. But now you can set separate wallpapers for every individual WhatsApp chat. So to set chat wallpapers, open a chat, then tap on the three-dot menu, tap on wallpaper and change, and select a wallpaper of your choice. Pretty neat, huh? Next one isn't that cool of a feature, but definitely will be used a lot more in the coming months when developers actually tag stickers with text and emojis. WhatsApp recently updated and improved the sticker search. Now you can search for stickers with text or emojis. Wait for a couple of months for the developers to start implementing in their sticker packs, so then it would be more useful and functioning. WhatsApp Pay has been one of those long-awaited features in WhatsApp, but it didn't turn out that good. Basically, it functions like Google Pay. You can link your UPI to WhatsApp and can use WhatsApp to send and receive money. But I don't recommend WhatsApp Pay right now because it is only available for a small number of people and it is not that reliable. Better to use PhonePe or any other similar apps. The improved storage manager on WhatsApp is a really welcoming feature. Earlier, it was really hard to delete media that are overshared, files that take too much space. It was really hard to see why WhatsApp is taking 70% of your phone's storage. Now you can go to your storage manager and see what's taking up the huge space and clear all the spam media and files taking up too much space in a single click. That's really awesome. So that's been it. Hope you guys found this video interesting and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Goodbye.